All right, in this video, we're going to look at another application of percentages in the form of sales tax and tip. Sales tax is a tax percentage of the price that is added to the bill to get the total. So when you're taxed on things, when you buy them at the store, for example, a tip is a percentage of the bill that is added onto the bill. Now, tip is a lot of times it's calculated by percentage. Some people just do it by a dollar amount. But for our sake, we're going to look at tip as an application of percent. Both tax and tip are an increase. So we treat them as an increase, which means we're treating them essentially like a markup. So we're increasing the price. So we're going to treat them like a markup. So tax, tip, and markup, all increases, all done in the same way. Example 1, finding price after tax. An item costs $25. What is the total cost after a 5% sales tax? So we're looking for the total cost, which means we're going to find the cost of the item with the 5% sales tax. So if this is a 5% sales tax, we're going to take 100% and we're going to add 5%, just like our markup, for a total of 105%. Again, not a step that needs to be shown. So our decimal would be 1.05 times our total, $25. This gives us a dollar amount of $26.25. This is my amount with the cost plus the tax, $26.25. An item you buy online costs $75. What is the total cost after 6% sales tax? So again, 100% plus 6% is 106%. 1.06 times $75 will give us an amount of $79.50. Total cost, $75 with the 6% tax. Example 2, finding out how much to tip. Your food costs $18.50 at a diner. How much would a 20% tip be? Notice we're asking how much would the 20% tip be. We're not looking for the total cost with the tip. So in this, I'm just looking for 20% of $18.50. So 0.20 times $18.50, which gives me a tax amount of $3.70. That's how much tax we're paying. If we wanted to find our total, we would take that amount, $18.50, and add our tax to it. The cost for your family dinner was $95. How much would an 18% tip be? How much would the tip be, not how much would it cost in total? So I want 18% of 95. That's going to give me an amount of $17.10. Example 3, putting it all together, finding a total bill at a restaurant. So at a diner, Maddie orders a meal that costs $8. She wants to leave a 15% tip and the sales tax is 6%. What is the total cost of the meal? Now, when you go to a restaurant, the tax is added to the bill, or the tax is in addition to the bill. And the tip is also, now the thing about both of the percentages is they're calculated of $8. So when you calculate a tip by a percentage, you typically do it just on the total of the bill, not the bill including tax. So because we're calculating them both for $8, we can actually add these percentages together. So 15% plus 6% equals 21%. Then we can just increase by that amount. So that would be 1.21 times $8, giving us an amount of $9.68. So this would be the amount with the bill, the tax, and the tip all included. 2 more practice problems. Find the total cost of an item that is $22 with a sales tax of 8%. So we would do 8%, so it would be 1.08 times 22 for a total of $23.76. At a restaurant, Joe orders a meal that costs $20. He wants to leave a 25% tip and a sales tax of 7%. What is the total cost of the meal? I'm going to add my percentages together. 25% plus 7% is 32%. We want an increase. So we're going to do 1.32 times 20 gives us a total of 26.40. And that is the application of percentages as a tax and a tip.